Leaders, changemakers. My name is Golden, founder of House of Golde, and I'm speaking to you from the future. I've already seen where we're heading. I've seen what happens to businesses, brands, and leaders who ignore AI. And I've seen what happens to those who learn to partner with it. I wasn't here to warn you. I'm here to equip you. This is your moment to future-proof your success. This is where we refine, automate, and scale intelligently. This is where you stop chasing trends and start architecting your digital legacy. Over the next 5 weeks, I'm breaking down AI for founders, visionaries, and digital leaders in a way that's clear, strategic, and immediately applicable. No fluff, no abstract theories, just power moves for you to thrive. Today, we start at the foundation. What is AI? How does it work? And what does it mean for you? Welcome to your next best phase. All right, so let's start from the beginning. What is AI? People love to complicate it, but let me make this super simple. AI is like a brilliant assistant trained to recognize patterns, make predictions, and automate tasks. Unlike a human assistant, AI doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. It just processes and executes based on data. Think of AI as a person, but instead of growing up in a household, learning from family experiences and culture, AI grows up inside data. Data is its environment, and machine learning is how it learns from that environment. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Machine learning is like experience. The way we have experience as a child from our environments, machine learning is how AI learns from the past to get better over time. Just like a child learns to walk through trial and error, AI learns through data patterns. The key takeaway here is AI isn't just a program, it's a system that improves over time, the more it interacts with data. I guess this is where humans start to become fearful of it, because at the end of the day, are humans really aligned with refining their timeline, their habits, their behaviors, or are they distracted with other things in their life? Now, let's talk about generative AI, the technology that's reshaping industries right now. Imagine an artist who has studied thousands of paintings. Now, instead of just recognizing good art, they start painting their own. That's generative AI. It takes what it learns and makes something new. Sounds familiar? It sounds like a successful person who's dedicated to refining, a successful person who uses its environment, habits, and past experiences to refine and grow. Let me give you some real-world examples. ChatGPT does content writing. DALL-E creates art. AI generating music, business strategies, or even branding blueprints. Generative AI isn't just the future. It's happening right now. If you're not actively learning how to use it, you're already behind. Let's talk about it. My name's Golden, and I'm the founder of House of Golde. I don't just talk about AI, I build with it. In House of Golde, we use AI to refine strategies for founders and leaders, create branding assets, and automate workflows, scale businesses smarter, faster, and with more precision. I've even taken on AI literacy to teach all of my clients about how to successfully partner with AI. Right now, I'm training AI to think, act, and respond in alignment with my brand, my values, and my mission. Imagine having a system that works for you, anticipates your needs, and refines your execution, and also allows you to tap into the entrepreneurial mindset so you can overcome obstacles with ease. This isn't science fiction. It's what's possible when you know how to partner with AI effectively. Now that you've got the foundation, here's how to make it practical. Try GPT for yourself. Ask it something business related and analyze how it responds. Identify one repetitive task in your work. Could AI automate it for you? Now, let's make it more personal. Say you're at home, you don't know what to cook. You have a fridge full of items and ingredients, but you don't know what to put together after a long, hard day at work. This is how you can partner with AI to elevate your lifestyle so you can make effective decisions. Now, go ahead, put those ingredients in ChatGPT and make it come up with a recipe that's easy for you to create. If you love the output, I would love to know what it made for you. This is just the beginning. And next week, I'm going to go into AI and how it can streamline your business and save hours every single day. However, we first have to learn about AI and how it works and how it operates. Are you ready for the next best phase?